Hello everyone, it is Elle. So today I am doing another video for my weekly updates. This is week 5 of doing this. I'm still on chapter 3. Chapter 3 is by far the longest one in the entire 14 chapters. And it is taking me a while to get through it because there are a lot of labs to complete because we are learning so much about motherboards and how to build a system and everything like that. So just like some of the stuff that I've been going through, I went through 3.3, which was all about learning about motherboards. We had a lot of labs where you had to connect the power supply. You had to connect all the right things. You had to figure out which wires went where. You had to figure out how to troubleshoot different parts of it. It's honestly, it's really fun. I'm quite enjoying doing it and being able to go through and see kind of like what the different things in a motherboard does and everything like that. We learned a lot in the past few units with the motherboards. We learned about all of the different sockets and slots where you can put different wires and everything like that. We learned about how to power a motherboard, what you need to have plugged in and what doesn't need to be plugged in, but what can you do if you do plug it in. We did some practice questions. Like always, I have Kahoots. Some of the labs I have on here, I have videos that I found online when I completed the labs. I went out and I found a video just so that I can go back through and watch the lab, just in case I need to redo it. That way you don't have to go back in to the lab and keep redoing it. Just kind of easier that way. We did a lot on troubleshooting. We did a couple labs on troubleshooting different parts of the motherboard. And just like what are like common issues with it and what are like the bigger things that like you can change and you can fix that will help you to make your computer work again and everything like that. Like always, they talked about safety when doing it. Just, not having your computer plugged in when you're doing it, making sure that you have grounding mats or a grounding bracelet. Just that way when you touch the parts and kind of mess with everything, you're not you're not messing with the electricity and stuff within it with different like static electricity and things like that around you, because energy is always constantly flowing through you and through different parts of your body and different things, and so not using the grounding tools makes it easier for energy to pass through and fry your things, and then you have to buy new parts, which would be not very fun. If I go to this, like I said, we watched, like usual, watched some videos, got some more notes, did a bunch of labs. A lot of the labs, like I said, were troubleshooting or building different parts of a computer, but it all had to do with the motherboard. You had to go in and you had to make sure everything on the motherboard was right, and then make sure that everything was plugged in, make sure that things are turned on, and then you would have to go to the front of it and turn it on, and then you'd be like, oh, my computer failed to turn on, what's wrong with it? And then you go through and you have to fix anything that's wrong, make sure everything is plugged in, check all of your different systems. But yeah, it was fun. I enjoyed it. Yeah, that's just what I've been going through so far. Like always, this will be up on both my Wix website and my YouTube. My Wix website is linked in my YouTube channel if you're watching this on my YouTube, and if you're watching it on my Wix, my YouTube channel is linked at the bottom of my Wix website. Go check out my page, both on my YouTube and my Wix. On my Wix, you can find out some stuff about me. You can figure out what I've been doing. You can see past weekly reports on this and a couple of my other classes, and just what I'm doing. So, hope you have a great rest of your day, week, night, whenever you're watching this. See ya.